Hello, my name is Helena, and we're back in conversation today with Dr. Moondust, cancer biologist and biochemist, and founder of Moondust Cosmetics. She's also a published author on topics of health and on the environment, and today we're concluding our three-part series following the publishing of the book, Some RNA Viruses, in which Dr. Moondust has contributed a chapter. Dr. Moondust, previously you refreshed us on the life cycle of the virus in our bodies and some of the risk factors in segments 1 and 2. Now we come to the question we all ask. What else can we do to protect ourselves from the virus, and in particular, the variants?
Okay, so there's the basic hygiene of regular hand washing, the masks, and social distancing. Then there are the supplements. And the nice thing about regular use of the supplements is that once your immunity from the vaccine wears down, you'll still be protected.
Mm-hmm. Now, can we start with one of our favorites, which is vitamin D as one of the supplements? What can you tell us about vitamin D?
So there's a lot of data to suggest that vitamin D deficiency is correlated with severe COVID-19 cases. And those with sufficient D levels are not the majority of ICU patients, because vitamin D plays a role in boosting levels of antimicrobial peptides in the lungs and increasing concentrations of anti-inflammatory enzymes in the body.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What else can we do from, I love that word that you use, arsenal. I know you used artillery in your chapter title, but it feels like we have an arsenal at our disposal. What else do we have in that arsenal?
Well, then there's zinc, which can interfere with the reproductive ability of the virus when it enters your body. If it can't duplicate itself, it can't colonize more cells and it's in trouble.
Mm-hmm. And, you know, in the past, I've been a big testimonial giver of the Moondust Cosmetics. And I apply my Skin Protector Plus, in particular around any breathing areas, and feel very, very comforted and secure in the fact that there's that little layer of zinc in addition to what it is that I'm ingesting from your advice in the past. So, sorry, I'm just such a fan. Is there anything else? Anything else that we can add to our arsenal?
Well, there are soy isoflavones like genistein in fermented soy products that have potent antiviral properties. And there's also glyceric acid in licorice root with antiviral and antimicrobial activities.
Mm-hmm. You know, it's very comforting when you mention these elements. They're not high science prescription medicine. They're things that are available to us that we can access, and some are ingredients in our everyday life, our food ingestion and our cooking. So for me, again, I use that comfort, that word comfort. It's another layer of comfort. So I'll thank you so much again for participating in this series this time around. And if you happen to have the book handy, I wonder if you can show us, and I'll mention again the book title and your chapter. So thank you so very much. Here it is. That's right. Some RNA Viruses. And the book, the chapter title is Assembling an Anti-COVID-19 Artillery in the Battle Against the New Coronavirus. Thank you so very much, Dr. Moondust, for being here today.
You're most welcome, Helena, and we really have to get people out there being proactive about protecting themselves in this pandemic.
Exactly. Thank you so very much for your review. And all we would have to add is Thank you for being here, for answering our questions and reviewing what actions we can take as individuals. And thank you, everyone, for joining us. Please hit subscribe before you mask up and go outdoors. We hope into some fresh air and sunshine. Be safe and be well and be socially distanced.